What's up guys, Starting Tech here. Now this is why I love junkyards. If you can see in front of me, I'm pretty sure if you guys watch my channel you know what this is, but just in case you don't, this is an M3 steering wheel. It's got this special grip, fatter grips here with the indentation. The only thing it's missing is the M3's little badge, but I could probably find one of those on eBay a hell of a lot cheaper than buying it online. So this was on an E39, not an M5. It was a 540, but it was a steering wheel swap. And just because this little M badge was gone, nobody knew what it was. I happened to just check a 540 just because I don't know why. I just looked inside and I couldn't believe my eyes because it was an E46 M3 steering wheel. So I definitely just stashed that aside, put a bunch of carpet and trim all over it, and then came back with my tools and it was still there miraculously. So I got a $20 M3 steering wheel and it's in pretty decent shape. This is after I cleaned it up, of course, but as you can see, I'm about to throw it on, and I mean, damn, this is why I love junkyards. I got the whole steering wheel for 20 bucks. Look at that, fucking amazing. Got all the cruise control buttons and everything, and came with the wiring, all for fucking 20 bucks. You can see here, it was $2 to get in and $19.99 for a steering wheel. Unbelievable. M3 steering wheel. Found it at the junkyard for 20 bucks. Out with the old and in with the new. Here's the old steering wheel, everything lines up. Here's the new M3 steering wheel. What a deal. I got both of these for 20 bucks, but I'm gonna sell that one. Look at the difference. Look how much fatter this is. Look how thin this is right here. That's supposedly a sport steering wheel, but look at this M3. Just, I got big ass hands too, so look at the difference. It's amazing. See that? Look. That's it. Gotta throw it in. So there's the M3 steering wheel. Looking fucking good. That's pretty much it, guys. Like and subscribe. This is Starting Tech, signing out.